welcome back to another
Hey,
exciting
welcome back
episode
to
of
Clark's
Public
Public
Art
Art
School.
School. Clark's Public
Today we're
Art
going to
School.
be drawing a shapescape
I'm gonna try to just
on a chalkboard with
I'm
chalk.
gonna ignore the background.
And not really thinking too much about what
just
the
drawing is going to be, but I
off
usually
the
just like
past,
start out with a
because that
triangle
is so
and then like
confusing.
just start like
and
doing some
drawing
lines and then
little half
reacting
pipe
to
here.
those lines.
Making a
And
little,
then I'm gonna just use the quarter pipe
just
from
kinda
earlier,
keep
last drawing,
doing something and then
then-
reacting to that
and then reacting
and
to this.
dang, so reactive. Jeez, chill out. This is so ridiculous.
So
Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, just trying to
I
draw
think
some
the more you
triangles.
doodle,
Not think too much about
the
it.
more
this
you,
this what is this envelope
come up with,
looking
like-
thing here? It's like
little lines.
this goes over here, and then like I'm just gonna turn that into an envelope.
and gestures with the like drawing tool.
Do a little
That like undulating / dragon alligator
Become
scale
your own
back
little
thing
language
and then
of mark making. Make those 3D, and then make it like 3D, but like layer cake.
They like draw, then they
And
end
then
up
do a
kinda, like,
little.
or
you draw it like abstract, concentric
like
circle
non-
there.
You're not like trying to
And
draw
then
anything
another
specific.
one.
You're just like making marks. It ends up like having like
Oh,
your
and this one's
unique
like a
signature just
dragon.
because you did it.
Triangle.
Like
Okay.
and
All right.
yeah.
See what's going on here. Cut this over here. Some like concentric
2/3 triangles.
All right. Do some more of that over here. And then this looks like a bat ear, like that.
This
the
thing's gonna
last
come out from under the
there.
episode or the episode before that.
here. This looks like a big.
I'm not gonna
Wing.
get distracted or ear
Like a
because
bat ear.
something.
Okay, I'm getting distracted.
All right.
I'm like thinking too much about it. Okay, now I'm like thinking too much, and it's just taking a million times longer.
That's what has to happen.
Okay, that was funny. We got a little upside down quarter pipe shape there. Let's make it 3D. Wow. Okay, so seeing some patterns in my
Maybe a little art making process here.
curved line.
This is on one of those.
It's like,
surfaces.
what do I do in here? I think
And then
I
another
think
one that kind of
concentric
mimics that. Triangles. And then it's like, okay, should I
I
leave
leave this spot
weird,
right here.
I mean,
I think cool, maybe.
I'm gonna
Weird,
come in
cool.
like from behind this thing, and do that.
We'll
and
see.
then
We'll
this
see.
is like,
We'll see. But it's cool.
this
That's the
needs
cool thing about
this.
chalk. Is it is
then
so
that.
impermanent, and you can just destroy what you
make a little
just
blade.
made there. Oh no, it's like a.
and it doesn't matter.
It's like a
But
recess. We're getting to the end here. It's like this is the background. So
and
it's
this
been
is the-
fun seeing underneath the top three-dimensional like form, and then this is seeing
I
like
hope
the
the
side.
other one's
But I have to like get rid of that. That's going to be the case. But
That's
I
just
could go. I can
confusing.
go until past tense me.
And then doing like concentric forms like inside of that little like.
This is still so
Three-dimensional
weird. It's like,
face.
is this some sort of like 80s coyote on a shirt? Like a graphic design with like, these are the sunglasses on the coyote? Like, that's what I'm thinking when I see that. I'm thinking like cheesy 80s
Try not to plan too much in advance.
beach wear.
Like maybe a second or
This
two.
is, I don't know if that was a good thing to do. I might have messed up. But I'm going to just roll with it.
We're getting close.
This is almost the
Jeez.
end. Because, all right,
the
sounds
way
like
it is.
past tense me is about to do like some concentric
About to cut it off.
parallelograms
So
or whatever
I'll
that
probably
is.
just. That's it. I'm gonna call it.
This is so weird. I don't stand behind this. But thanks for coming out, y'all. Take care.
It's pretty cool.